Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Fred. Today we're making a Falinum. A Falinum is a Martin Cate creation from Smuggler's Cove, and it's named after his good buddy Falin Minoru, who is a tiki mug artist from Oakland, California. So this drink is called a Falinum. I have my cocktail shaker. We're going to add a little bit of ice, and it's 2.5 ounces of white rum, a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of Falernum. I make my own Falernum. And a dash of orange bitters. This is Black Cloud Orange Bitters out of Calgary, Alberta, my hometown. And we're going to give that a shaky. I have a tiki mug full of crushed ice. And we're going to finish it off with some club soda. I have some nice fresh pineapple as a garnish. And that's a Falinum. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today we have some popcorn chicken with mango habanero sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. That's our appetizer. Now we need a beverage. So I am going to make a banana pie martini. So I got my martini shaker. Add a little ice. Alright, and it's 1 part vanilla vodka, 1 part salted caramel Bailey's Irish cream, and 1 part banana liqueur. Alright, we'll give that a shaky. And into my martini glass. And that is a banana pie martini to go with my popcorn chicken with mango habanero sauce. It's just like eating banana pie in liquid form. Delicious. Alright, so that's another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.